Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer commissions from Impact to Payoneer, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an active Payoneer account. Log into your Impact account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to view your account details. Locate the Payouts section on the left-hand menu. Click on Payout Methods to access your current payment options. Select Add Payment Method to initiate the transfer process. Choose Payoneer from the list of available payment methods. Follow the prompts to link your Payoneer account. Enter your Payoneer account details as requested. Confirm that all information is accurate before proceeding. Once linked, return to the Payouts section. Check the payout schedule and ensure you understand the timing. You will need to select Payoneer as your preferred payout method for future payments. If you have any pending commissions, they should reflect in your Payoneer account after the next payout. If you encounter any issues, consult the Impact support resources for assistance. Make sure your Payoneer account is fully verified to avoid delays. Regularly check your Payoneer account for incoming funds. Remember to keep your account information updated for seamless transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.